Seems like every ballet teacher in the world has ballet class videos on YouTube. They're all competing for viewers. If you want to compete, not only do you have to be better, but you have to be different. Otherwise, why would people want to watch your videos instead of this, or this, or this? Fortunately, most of them are not very good, so it's not too difficult for your videos to be better. However, being different takes a little imagination. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So, how to be better than everybody else? First of all, your planning, presentation, explanations, and demonstrations have to be better than the others. Great dance skills and a natural teaching ability are a good start, but they are not enough. The production quality also has to be better than the others. You might be the best teacher in the world, but people are not going to watch your videos if it's difficult to see and hear what you are doing. First, consider the setting. It should be big enough to allow you to move unimpeded, free of clutter and distractions, and well lit. Lighting is especially important. The light source should be in front of you. There should be no lights or windows behind you. Otherwise, you'll be washed out and people will not be able to see you well. What you wear is equally important. People need to be able to see your arms, hands, legs, and feet. Even intermediate and advanced students need to see them. If you say, point your toes, or turn out from the hips, how can we know if we are doing it right unless we see you doing it? You need to wear tights or bare legs, leotards, and ballet shoes. Stay away from baggy pants, arm coverings, long skirts, and these clunky teacher's shoes. Colors are important too. Choose bright colors that contrast with the background. Never wear black. Black tights, shoes, and leotards make details disappear. They eliminate the subtle shadows that show the details of position and movement. Next, the equipment has to be good quality. A video camera is essential. A webcam or a phone camera doesn't have the capability to focus and zoom to frame the shot properly. Webcams are designed to focus on your face 2 or 3 feet from the computer. Video cameras can and should be mounted on a tripod. That lets you place the camera in its best position. But you don't need the latest high-priced 4K video camera. Just to make sure it's high definition, 720p or 1080p. Older standard definition cameras are not good enough. Sound is equally important. Many instructors just use the microphone in their computers or webcams with awful results. Those microphones are designed to pick up your voice from 2 or 3 feet away. They're not designed for distant shots. Did you hear what she said? If you are in a small room and are close to the camera, then the microphone in your video camera will work fine. If you are in a large studio, you absolutely need a wearable microphone. Otherwise, people will hear echoes and background noise, but not your words. Then you have to edit the video. There are lots of video editing programs available. Some of them are free. Edit carefully and use simple transitions between scenes so that the video flows smoothly. Make sure you adjust the sound volume while you are editing so that people can hear your voice and the music. Those are some of the ways that you can be better than the rest. How can you be different from the rest? Look at this random selection. They are all the same. Plie, tendu, rond de jambe. It's all just practice. None of these actually teach anything. An imaginative professional teacher will think of many ways to be different. Here's a good example. This introduces some actual teaching points into the video. Here are some other suggestions. Introduce a teaching point at the beginning of the video. For example, balance. Teach and demonstrate how to do ballet at the beginning. Then incorporate it into the rest of your class. Teach your students to actually dance. We all joined ballet because we want to do this, not this. Before you start a series of videos, choreograph a 2-minute dance for your viewers to perform. Throughout your series, teach all the elements of the dance one step at a time. Gradually build up the lessons until the entire dance has been taught. Your viewers' sense of accomplishment and pride will ensure many loyal fans. You can go even further. If you have enough interested viewers, have them send a video of themselves performing the dance. Put them all together into a virtual ensemble, much like this virtual choir video I made. Have guests appear in your videos like this. Just make sure that they don't run on too long, or your viewers will lose interest. Insert a small section on ballet fitness. Maybe demonstrate an exercise for strengthening feet and ankles, or improving turnout. The possibilities are endless. A creative instructor can probably come up with many innovative ideas. Finally, end your videos with a teaser. Tell your viewers what's coming up in the next video. Make them eagerly anticipate your next class. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to your next video. Bye.